Hello guys and welcome to the Rohit Programming Zone. In this tutorial we will learn about programming structure. So let's get started. So here is a simple program which displays Hello World on the user screen. So first let's move to the Visual Studio section and see the result of this program. As we can see, Hello World is displayed on the screen. So let's understand how it works. As you can see in the first line of comments, I have named comment as namespace declaration inside the / with the asterisk sign. So in this way we can write the comments, which is ignored by the compiler and also useful to understand what this code is all about. Next we have using system, which is a namespace used to access the system features in the program. A program generally have multiple using statements according to the programming needs. Next is class declaration. The second line has namespace hello_world declaration, which is a collection of classes. The Hello World namespace class contain the class program, which is generally used in large program, and also it has limitless features and we will go through in the upcoming tutorials. Method of class. Next is a class program declaration, which is used to contain data and methods, which program uses. Classes generally contain multiple methods which defines the behavior of the class. The next statement defines the main method, which is the execution point for all C# programs. The main method states what the class does when executed, and also the execution of the program start at the main method. The main method static void main, string args. Specify its behavior with the statements. As you can see inside the main method, I have wrote the statement as console.writeLine, hello world. This statement is used to display hello world on the console screen. So here writeLine is a predefined function of a console class which is defined in system namespace. And also keep in your mind that statements and expression must be end with the semicolon sign in C#. In the next part we will learn data types and variables. So guys, do subscribe my channel for future updates. Thanks for watching Rohit Programming Zone.